Hey everybody, welcome back to my site, LR Lifestyle. I'm glad to have you here. I just want to do a little unboxing of something that I got from Amazon, and it's just to make my life a little bit easier at work when I want to have a little bit of coffee real quick in the morning. And it's by OXO, and it's a pour over coffee maker. Let's see, can you see that? A pour over coffee maker, and what it does is it drips. You put the water in it. This is how you assemble it. You put the water in it and it drips down, and it, put your grounds in here and it makes your coffee for you. It's not electric, it's manual. So excuse my voice, I'm getting over a sinus infection. Sorry about that. I washed all the pieces, took all the pieces out. It was 3 pieces in here. Okay, you got the bottom. This sits on top of the cup. You've got the well. Okay, and you've got the cover. So I've got the water heated up already. I'm not sure if the water should be boiling or just hot. Also, you use ground coffee, not instant coffee. You're going to use ground coffee. And it says, okay, we got to put the filter in there. It came with these filters. It came with a few in here. I think it's about 10. Okay, and it came along with that. You're going to put the filter in here. Okay. Then it says the measurements are 6 ounces of coffee. You're going to use 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. So let's make 10 ounces. I think I've got 10 ounces of water here. So we're going to make, we're going to use 3 tablespoons and a half of a teaspoon. Okay, so let me get the coffee. Oh boy, here we go. Okay, here's the coffee I'm going to use. Let's see if this is my most recent coffee. I'm not even sure, because I'm always buying coffee. Let me see if I have fresher coffee. Give me just 1 second. Have you seen any coffee around here? I thought I had fresher coffee. That's Folgers Classic Coffee. Then I've got another one here. Okay, I think this is the last one I bought. Yeah, let's get rid of this one. We're going to use Maxwell House. I think this is the last one I bought. Second. Alrighty. Alright. So we're going to use 2 tablespoons and a half of a teaspoon, if I'm correct. Let's see. For 10 ounces of coffee. Yep. So we're going to put that in the filter, the paper filter. It's 2 tablespoons. And a half of a teaspoon, I guess, would be a quarter of a tablespoon. Okay, we'll just eyeball that, or estimate. Okay, we're going to put the well on top of that. And we use Maxwell House Master Blend Light. And I think it says here to use medium ground, but this is what I have. Let's see how it works. All right, let's pour our water in there. And oh, let's look at the measurements. The measurements are over here. Here are the measurements: 12 ounces, 10, 8, 6, and those are the ounces. We're gonna do 10. Right, so that's going to drip slowly. We're going to cover that. Oh, I hear it already. Oh, wow. You know, this is something that I was looking for at work, because at work we have a small, cramped little break room. And, you know, we've got over 20 workers in there. And you can only fit in that break room like maybe 6 or 8 people at a time. And they're all elbow to elbow. And, you know, it's, you know, you want to have air, you know, you want air to circulate, you know. In these times, you don't really want to be that close. You don't feel like being that close, you know, that comfortable, you know, to anyone else. You want to. So what I do is in my office, you know, I was looking for something that I can just go quickly, take my few minutes break, make my coffee. And I have to wait too long for it. And let's see. This is, you know, this is dripping up pretty fast. Let's take a peek. Let's take a look inside. See what's going on. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay, that's not bad. It's going pretty fast. Okay, let's take in here. Okay, a little bit more will be done. Let me get a clean spoon so that I can stir that. We can have a taste. See how much is left. Okay, that's the inside of the well. Just a little bit left in there. Oh, I wish I was timing it. How long did that take? Could not take it that long. Oh. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so sorry about my voice. My voice should be back this week. Should be back to normal, hopefully. Oh, we're done. Okay. So we're going to set that to the side. That's done dripping. Oh my goodness. I like the way this looks. This to the side. Oh my gosh. If you want ground coffee at work, you don't want to use the office's, you know, machine, you know, or you don't want to use the coffee they're using in there. You want to use your own coffee. You've got your own space, your own little office or whatever. Make this, you know. Or if you've got a larger break room, you still want to use your own coffee. Oh my goodness, I really like this. This is a great idea. It didn't take long at all. And you have plenty of time. You have your, look at this. Okay. The color looks magnificent. Let me taste that. Oh my goodness. You know what? I wish I had found this sooner. You know, I like this because you don't have to, because I do have other ways of making coffee. You don't have to boil water and have instant coffee unless you really like instant coffee and you find a brand you really like. You can have your ground coffee. Look at that. And in no time practically. Listen guys, you like this video, you like this unboxing, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't done it already. And bye-bye. Guys, I almost forgot. There's a link in my description box if you want to get this item. You know, I really like it. I'm sure you would too. I mean, it's pretty fast. If there's a link in the description box, just click where it says more, and you'll see a link to Amazon. You click on it, and you can get this too. You know, and I get a small percentage because I am an affiliate of Amazon, and I appreciate anything. Thank you so much. Bye bye.